welcome to Basic Science and Technology class. The topic before us is workshop safety. Objective. At the end of the lesson, the student should be able to do the following. 1. Understand what workshop accident is and how it is caused. 2. Know various types of workshop accidents. 3. Identify safety devices used in various workshops. 4. State at least 5 safety rules and regulations in a workshop. 5. State at least 4 accident prevention techniques. Workshop safety. Introduction. What is a workshop? A workshop is a small workplace where handcrafts or manufacturing are done. What is an accident? Accident is an unfortunate mishap, especially one causing damage or injury. Let us look at workshop accident. It refers to unplanned, unexpected events which occur suddenly in workshop and result in injury, loss of resources, or loss of lives. Let's look at the causes of workshop accident. 1. Careless handling of workshop tools. 2. Not protecting oneself or wearing protective device. 3. Poor maintenance of machine. 4. Poor workshop environment. Types of workshop accident. The first one, slips and trips. This occurs as a result of spillage of wet or slippery liquid like water or oil on ground, which causes workers to slip or trip down. An example is seen in the image displayed above in your screen. 2. Manual handling. These are accidents that occur while workers are using machineries. They include any activities that involves lifting, pulling, pushing, carrying, holding, or restraining an object. Again, the second group of pictures you are seeing on your screen is an example of manual handling accident. The last one, workplace traffic. This occurs not only in the workshop with heavy-duty vehicles, but in any place of work which people come and go in vehicles. Electrical accidents. This entails all incidents that could cause electrical shock in the workplace. Electrical accidents can result in electrical burn, unconsciousness, cuts, death, and so on. Again, above on the screen towards your left are images showing electrical accidents. The next one is chemical or fire accidents. These are accidents that occur while working with hazardous chemicals and where fire is present. It could lead to various injuries like severe burn, skin damage, death, and so on. Displayed on your screen are examples of fire accidents. The last one, plant machinery accidents. They occur when working with plants and heavy machineries. These accidents lead to amputation of body parts and could lead to death. Workshop safety devices. Workshop safety devices are devices that we use in order to protect ourselves in the workshop. The first one we'll be looking at is hand glove. Hand gloves displayed on your screen are examples of hand gloves worn to the hand to protect the hand. The next one is the helmet worn on the head, mostly used by motorists in Nigeria. The third one is the safety belt, otherwise known as seat belt. Again, is displayed on your screen. The fourth one is rubber boot, mostly used by agriculturists or engineers in Nigeria. The next one is overall wear, used to protect the body. The next one is the eye protector, used to protect the eye. And the last one is the noise cover protector. This is mostly used by those who work in the airport in order to prevent hazards that affect the ear. Safety rules and regulation in workshop. The first one, keep all tools in the toolkit after use. Second, do not allow watery materials to pour on the floor. The third one, keep the workshop floor clean and neat always. Number 4, switch on the lights of the workshop before commencing work. Number 5, put on all protective devices before commencing work. Number 6, ensure all machines and tools are in good condition before operating them. Number 7, understand the operation and use of equipment before using them. Number 8, read the manual of each machine before using them. And number 9, adhere strictly to all ethics of production. Accident prevention techniques. Number 1, do not expose naked wires. Number 2, avoid pouring slippery materials on the floor. Number 3, use crane to carry heavy equipment and goods rather than using hands. Number 4, put on hand gloves always. Number 5, cover all chemical containers properly when not in use. Number 6, keep inflammatory objects or liquid far away from fire while working with electricity. And number 7, put on safety devices like rubber boots, overall wear, eye protector, and so on and so forth. The quiz time. The first question I have here is, what kind of workshop accident is most likely to be experienced by a power holding staff when connecting electricity? The second question I have is, Bisola's hand got amputated while working with a machine in a company. What type of accident is this? Number 3, most African women suffer from a particular type of accident while working in the kitchen. Identify the type of accident this could be. Number 4, a baby running up and down in a wet floor is most likely to suffer from what accident? The next slide is going to display the answers. Try and answer before you go to the next slide. Pause the video and do the answering. Now the answers to the quiz question. The first question that was asked, the answer is electrical accident. The second question, the answer to it is plant and machinery accident. The third question that was asked, the answer is chemical or fire accident. And the fourth question that was asked, the answer is slip and trip accident. Alright, let's look at some evaluation questions. Number 1, what are the causes of workshop accidents? Number 2, mention and explain the types of workshop accidents. Number 3, state 5 workshop safety devices that you know. Number 4, list 5 workshop safety rules and regulations. And number 5, state 4 accident prevention techniques. Displayed on your screen are various images of what we have been talking about. I believe as you are going over the images, it will give you a reminder of what we have seen. Try and look at the images again and identify the accidents that are experienced in this video. We have come to the end of the lesson. Very big thank you for listening, watching. I hope to see you in the next class.